welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to be doing a little DIY project for you. During quarantine, I've been picking up a lot of different hobbies. I started doing embroidery, which I've never done before. I started doing digital art, and I also decided to start renovating furniture. So I've done a few dressers, and today I'm going to be doing an end table for you all. It's a mission style end table, which I have no idea what that means, but my mom knew what it means. She was like, oh yeah, mission style end table, that's really good. And I was like, okay. Yeah, I don't know why I felt the need to ramble on about that. Anyways, here are a few of my inspirations that I got from Pinterest for how I'm going to renovate it. It's not in too bad of condition right now, but I definitely think I can upscale it to look way more sleek and sort of farmhouse vibe, and I think it's going to look really cute. So let's get on to the project. I'm on my way now to go pick up the wood stain for the table. I'm getting it at Lowe's and I'm doing curbside pickup because safety. But before I could do anything else, I had to sand everything. And this took way longer than I was thinking. The top I had to get everything off. The rest of it I just sanded by hand because I didn't need all of the color out because that's the part I'm painting. But the top I had to get everything off for the stain. For the stain, I'm using the color Dark Walnut, and I did about 2 coats of this, and then another one for a few more touch-ups. So I just stirred that up, and I started applying it. After 15 minutes, I wiped off the leftover stain as the instructions told me to do, and then the next day, actually, I think this is the next day, I went over it with the polyurethane satin finish, and I did 1 coat of that before painting the bottom half. I had to tape off the handle because for some reason it was like screwed into the actual, like, I don't know, it was hard to explain, but I couldn't get the handle off, so I just decided to tape over it so that I wouldn't get paint on it, and then I taped off the edge of the table, obviously, so I wouldn't get paint on that, and then I went over the top and added some paper, and don't worry, I am going to reuse this later, and just because I didn't want to get any paint on the top of it. And my plan was to use spray paint, but then I figured since it's not a flat surface, I wanted to go ahead and use just a paintbrush. So I used this primer, you can't really see because it's old, and I just did 1 coat of that before painting any of the rest of it. After letting the primer dry overnight, I went ahead and used this Valspar Signature paint and primer in one. I know it already has primer in it, but I wanted to prime it first since it's such a dark color. So I ended up doing 2 coats of this just to make sure everything was thoroughly covered and that it would look so beautiful in the end. Emma, can you tell me if I'm in this shot? Like, can you look on the screen? Am I in it?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. absolutely in love with the final product. The amount of serotonin this gives me is kind of ridiculous. I think it looks so beautiful and I'm so happy with the final product, and I hope you guys like it too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment below what you think and let me know what other kind of hobbies you guys have picked up during quarantine. Hope you guys are staying safe, healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye!